Have you ever stopped to think that artificial intelligence might be completely changing the game of personal finance, and that you might be falling behind? The truth is, we are living through a silent revolution where AI tools are allowing ordinary people to make smarter financial decisions, create new sources of income, and plan for the future with surgical precision. Today, you're going to discover how to use AI to supercharge your finances, even if you've never used one of these tools before. Get ready, because what we're about to explore could be the turning point you've been waiting for to get out of debt. Save more and multiply your wealth. First of all, it's important to understand that AI isn't just for big corporations or tech professionals. It's accessible to anyone with a smartphone or a computer. There are tools that can analyze your spending in real time, suggest smart budget cuts, identify investment opportunities, and even negotiate bills on your behalf. Imagine having a personal financial assistant available 24 hours a day without paying expensive consulting fees. That's exactly what AI is bringing to the table, and that's what we're going to break down together step by step. Let's start by understanding how AI can map your financial behavior. Most people have no idea where their money goes by the end of the month, and that's a serious problem. AI-powered tools can automatically categorize every expense you make, create detailed reports, and reveal the invisible leaks draining your account. This alone can generate huge savings, but the real game changer is that AI learns from you. The more you use it, the more personalized it becomes, suggesting strategies that truly fit your reality. Another crucial point is personalized financial education. Many people give up on learning about investing because they think it's too complicated or too technical. But imagine receiving simple, clear explanations tailored to your level of knowledge, with practical examples from your daily life. That's what AI can do. It can recommend videos, articles, courses, and even simulation exercises to train your mind to make better decisions. This means you're not just saving money, you're actually growing as an investor over time. And if you think investing requires a lot of money, it's time to rethink that idea. AI tools can identify micro opportunities in the market, suggesting low-risk investments with small initial amounts. They analyze asset histories, market trends, and even global events to recommend the best options, something that used to be exclusive to analysts and big banks. With this, you can start small and grow steadily, taking advantage of the power of compound interest over time. We also can't forget about strategies to generate new income streams. AI is already helping thousands of people identify market niches, create digital products, automate online businesses, and even develop in-demand skills. Trend analysis tools can predict which areas are about to boom, allowing you to prepare earlier than most and monetize before the market gets saturated. This means always staying one step ahead, which is a massive advantage for anyone seeking financial independence. Another benefit is long-term financial planning. With AI, you can simulate future scenarios, such as retirement, buying a home, or traveling, and know exactly how much you need to save to hit those goals. More than that, it automatically adjusts your plan if something changes, like an unexpected expense or an income increase. This removes the weight of uncertainty and gives you clarity about the path you're on. Now, it's important to talk about risks and pitfalls. Yes, AI is powerful, but it's not infallible. You must use it as support, not as a total replacement for your own judgment. A common mistake is blindly trusting any recommendation without analyzing the context. That's why I'm going to share tips to filter information and make conscious decisions. So you can use technology as an ally, not a crutch. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear step-by-step plan to implement AI in your financial life, choosing the right tools, setting up alerts and goals, learning to interpret the reports, and taking strategic action. This will put you in control of your financial life like never before, with the advantage of having technology working for you. And finally, here's a challenge. Try applying at least one of the tips I share today before the end of the week. You'll be surprised by the results, and you'll realize that the future of your finances is literally just one click away. If you want financial freedom and don't want to be left behind in this revolution, now is the time to act. Stay with me until the end, because the transformation starts right now.